I don't know quite how to explain 2017 to you, but it was a roller coaster of emotions, which I love. The greatest thing is it's all documented, so I can show you guys, kind of recap what we did. I learned a lot, made a lot of good friends, I lost some friends, I lost some partners, and I had a great time. First video of the year for 2017, fans dropped by, filmed some videos with them.
Spotted an ST in the parking lot.
Well, surprise, surprise, it is an ST.
Later on, X bought me a freaking drone. Opened the doors to my creativity that never ended up stopping. And of course, we went up to my hometown, filmed some cool cars up there with X and a couple cool friends.
Catch me walking in my Nikes, yo.
One thing we worked so hard for was a lift. I'll show you guys. This lift. But in 2017, we actually bought it. Oh yeah, that one meet you guys can't forget. The one where the cop dinged my door. That was an interesting one.
There's the police officers right there.
Oh shit! Everybody back up!
And then the most amazing one yet, the day Aaliyah was born. I recorded the whole entire day, from the phone call to the nurse, all the way to introducing Aaliyah to the dog. Good morning. Seems like my wife's going to labor, so I'm just giving you a call to get some advice.
She's about 38 weeks. So.
How you feeling back there?
So good. I don't know about a second baby right now.
It's only in grams on here.
She's here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What you think, Mama?
Oh man, I'm so happy.
Oh, the poor neglected Subaru. Once upon a time you were gold. But I have a video of us bagging it. Don't worry, I have some plans for this car.
Let me air it out for you guys to show you guys one more time. Ooh, drop it like it's hot, baby. Drop it like it's hot.
We definitely can't forget the day that we trolled everyone with the Alpha Kenny body shirt. That was a fun freaking day.
You know what this hoodie says?
Alpha Kenny.
Hey, you're quick!
Alpha Kenny body.
African body? African body! And of course, a part of my 2017 history was when TJ came by to the shop to actually pick up some of his gear that was at Primal HQ 3. Yeah, you know how it goes.
Oh my god.
Damn, look at you.
Yeah. Holy shit. Hey, I like your gold way than more than my gold. A little rasp up there.
Yeah.
It's loud.
One of the coolest guys I know, Brian, had a GTR once upon a time. Now he's on Lamborghini. But in 2017, he had his GTR and he dropped by when it was yellow.
I tell everybody, if something comes quick, it goes quick. If you work for something like Mike has, like I have, and then you finally start tasting success, you're gonna cherish it more, you're gonna appreciate it, and you're gonna continue to push.
Oh man, you can't forget AutoCon 2017 in LA. That was freaking amazing. TJ and I did some freaking work. Brought a lot of people in, had a lot of fun. X came down, we drove through LA together with our GTRs. That was a fun time. When times are a little bit simpler.
What do you think? What do you think? Yo, that's pretty cool.
Oh shit, there's so many people. Yeah, I know this warehouse is a mess, but in the video of last year, you saw us tour this facility when it was completely empty because we were trying to upgrade. And guess what? We got it. There's just a lot of stuff now, so we definitely we're in the process of reorganizing.
Oh, look at that big old building.
The reason why we're expanding is because we're running out of space.
For little toys.
Damn. Hey, we got home roof access.
Right under there is the Camaro. And you guys remember, I bought the Camaro last year. One of my dream cars as a kid. Boom, we have it. Just need to fix the flywheel. Once we fix the flywheel, I can do some donuts again. That looks great. 17, we had a lot of creative and talented people work for us, and it was a lot of fun. We did some really cool videos. I mean, this AKB shirt was pretty sick. Of course, we got more donuts going on with the Camaro. More random donuts with fans. We can't forget, summer was amazing. We had a lot of car events that we went to, even at Peterson, which is in LA. Dude, do you guys remember when the FRS had an LS motor in it and we did some crazy burnouts at a dealership? That was a freaking fun time. I learned how to crazy kart, drift. I became pro. I'm just kidding. It was a lot of fun. Dude, we met Jay Leno in the summer of 17. That was crazy. To be able to meet him.
I thought exhaust was obnoxious. We've got a steam engine back there.
We got invited out to a track day at Willow Springs. Amazing with Vicious, Chris, and Sean from Autotopia. Thank you so much. It was a lot of fucking fun. Like, you guys remember we bought the Tesla? Really fun, right? Really good day. Bought Tesla, but I made a video after the fact of things that were wrong with it that dealer wouldn't fix. That video went viral.
Almost 2 years ago, Iris and I knew we wanted a kid. And we knew we didn't want a minivan, and we didn't want a huge SUV because it's so impractical.
Oh man, the summer we went to San Diego after one of the meets and we filmed an amazing shoot. This is my drone footage that I did and I freaking love droning. Parker came by. We did a funny video with his Lamborghini. Vehicle virgins.
Oh man, look what we stumbled into. Oh, excuse me, sir.
Oh, hi. Hi.
What's up, dude? Nice to meet you.
Hello, how you doing?
Oh, hello.
What an amazing time. We went to Jersey for AutoCon. You guys, this shit is so crazy. Check this out.
That shit's amazing.
Of course, we got baby Aaliyah.
Oh, here,
She knows the camera's on.
okay.
Show me what you do.
Okay, okay. All right. Come on.
Hi.
Hi, I know. Hi.
You can't forget, we got the tattoo in 17. 2 hours later. I'm very happy with it. People are asking me if I regret anything. I don't regret it at all. Express rally. Holy shit, that was great. Being able to drive my car with a group of people in California, that was a time that you can never, ever replace with anything else. Definitely suggest you guys joining us next time.
Bro, you got an iPad in the car? Yeah. What the fuck? Lavish ass.
Rally
I'll see you over there. Oh no. Move the window. Move the window.
Ah, shit. And then the video that started all the drama. TJ Hunt Exposed video. What can I say? Shit happens. That's about it.
TJ Hunt, you guys all know him. We all love him. We've tried every form of contacting him.
I got the amazing opportunity to go to Team Penske and watch NASCAR with Pennzoil. That was cool. During, towards the end of summer, I started filming with a lot of other cars, kind of like a documentary on people's lives and their cars. We definitely can't forget this one. We bought the drift car. I started learning to drift. more baby Aaliyah. She's so freaking adorable.
Aaliyah's first Thanksgiving. 9 months, first Thanksgiving.
And then we ended the year with one last video, hanging out with Manu and the boys. A lot of videos coming with them very soon.
Okay, so Yard House was good, so I'm gonna hop in the Lambo now. This thing is stupid loud.
Okay, okay.
Oh, shit.
All I gotta say was 2017 was a roller coaster. I want to thank everyone who stayed around. My videos like progressed a lot from the beginning to the end of the year. But one thing you guys did notice was I stopped uploading frequently. I kind of stopped in the summer. A lot of stuff was going on, and a lot of stuff was going on before I even mentioned it to you guys. You guys know the drama. I don't want to touch on it. But it really hurt me, and I went into like a depression mode, and I went into this mode that wasn't very healthy. And all I did was try to focus on what was working, was basically our business. 17 was crazy, roller coaster. We learn from our weaknesses the most. We don't learn from our strengths. So I wanted to thank everyone who was with me and who helped me build, and who aren't here anymore. Thank you so much for your time and your support. In the meantime, in the 18, who the hell knows what's gonna happen? All I know is I'm riding along with this life, and hopefully something good comes out of it. If not, we'll go broke trying. But I'll leave you guys with one thing. One thing that I said in the summer of 17 when I was sitting on a rooftop in LA. And you guys know my connection to LA. I almost died there. So I said some stuff, and I want you guys to listen to it. It was great. And I wish times were better. But hey, we got our life. The cards are dealt. Let's play.
So lately, you guys have been seeing a lot of like really cool places that we've been going to, events, people, cars. It's work that we put in for the past 5-6 years to make this happen. So super humbling that we get to do this for a living. But I want to tell you guys that no matter what you do, no matter what your life circumstances, you gotta hustle and grind a shitty job first before you get to live a really good life. Enjoy like this type of job. And sometimes your talents might get randomly selected, like these two guys here behind the cameras. They were just good at what they did, and then we end up finding them. But this is LA behind me. I almost fucking died here. I literally almost died here. But that's it, man. You guys have a great day. I'm gonna take off. Peace out.
Like a bug on the concrete. You're the so magnified. I feel cold in summer weather. It gets better. I'm a shell of myself. Didn't realize I was so captivated by your lies. Little